Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with some more challenge entries. Yay! Thank you ladies so much for participating. This challenge has been so much fun. I want to go ahead and jump right in. I have my first entry that I'm sharing today from Christina Santiago. And this is the way her entry came in the mail. I just took it out of the packaging and it's absolutely adorable. She's got her little mini loaded bag with a super cute little hedgehog, and then she's got her really cute heart decorated on the front, so it looks like a Valentine's Day themed. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take her tags out. And this is the first one, and it says, "Made with love." Oh, it looks like she stamped that on that cork. And then look at these cute stickers. She's got the mittens that says Happy Valentine's Day, and then look at those super cute donuts on the bottom. And then she's got donut paper in the background, and it's absolutely adorable, and she's layered it with some doilies. And then she's got a cute little spatula and spoon right there that the donuts are holding. Let me make sure I'm focused. There we go. Sorry about that. Super, super cute. Thank you so much. That's so cute. And she's got the little, the tool on the top to hang the tag. And this is the second one. And it says, "Hey, made this for you." Oh, that's really cute. I love that. And it's an apron. It looks like she's got a rosette behind the apron. And then look at those little ants. They have the mittens in their hands with the little hat. Look at that. And they have like little googly eyes. And they're carrying cookies. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, that's adorable. How creative. Oh my gosh, and that's the back of her tag. Oh, I didn't share the back. This is the back of that one. Super cute. And then looking inside of her bag, that's the way it looks. She decorated the front part of her loaded mini bag. And then this is the back. And I'll go ahead and take out her memory dex card. And oh, you know what? I think this is the card. It says, "Hey, made this for you." Oh my goodness. Let me just open it up really quick. I'm sorry. I didn't realize this was the card. Erica, thank you so much for hosting this great giveaway. I had a blast creating these goodies for you. I hope that you have a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for inspiring me with your creativity. Your crafty friend, Christina S. Oh, so sweet. And she is on Instagram as I will link her information in the description box below, but she's just saying that she is on Instagram and has an Instagram account. And this is what the inside of the card looks like. Super, super cute. Aw, I love that. That is an adorable card. So thank you for the handmade card. And here is her memory dex card. And look how adorable it is. It's like a Parisian theme, and I absolutely love it. She's got a really pretty butterfly right there. Oh, it's gorgeous. And she's got a little girl that says love and some pretty lace trim and the Eiffel Tower. And she's got pretty bow made of tulle with a pearl center. It's absolutely adorable. I love your entry. Thank you so much for participating. And there is her name, Christina. Oh, so super sweet. Thank you so much for your entry, and I will write your entry down. So, so nice. All right, so I am going to set her entry off to the side and move on to the next entry. And my next entry is from Olga Velazguez. I think that's how you say your last name. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but hey, Olga, thank you so much for participating. I'm so excited to open up your entry. Now, wait a minute. Oh, this was, okay, she had a box and then another box inside of a box. And I think that this one was the Happy Valentine's Day mail. I think that's what it said. So I'll go ahead and open this up first. And it says, what does this say? My mix, my mix. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Oh, it's like a little note card holder. It's got a little pencil. This is absolutely adorable. It says hi, and it's a sticky note holder. Oh, that's super sweet. And I love this paper. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And look at the little tiny pin. All right, I'm sticking this in my laundry room for sure. Thank you for that. So sweet. And she's got a cute little pillow box right here. It has that really pretty heart that says, "Hello, you." So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. Oh, and she has a dangle, and I bet this is handmade. Look how pretty that is. And it's a flower on the end. Oh, that's so pretty. I can attach this to a traveler's notebook on the book spine. That would be perfect for that. So thank you for that. So sweet. And then she sent me some chocolate. Yay. I have so much chocolate right now, you guys, and I'm hoarding it. Hiding it from the kids. Trying to anyway. All right, I'm gonna put that off to the side. And then she sent me some sequence mix. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you for sharing. Love that. Oh my goodness, look at all these. These are so pretty. Look at all these sequence mixes. They're like little tiny like iridescent flowers. Those are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, thank you for sharing with me. Oh, I love it. So pretty. Yay. I really don't have that much. I don't have that a lot of sequins. I've used quite a bit and I really need some more. So this is perfect. These are beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing. Oh, that's so sweet. And then she sent, looks like some dies. It says hello. Oh, that's so pretty. And then this pretty trim. That's adorable with the hearts on it. And then this super cute tool. And she sent me some doilies. Always can use those. And then this really pretty heart. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you to send me some die cuts. I will put them to use. And then she made me a shaker. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's a really pretty bow. I love that. That's pretty. Oh, I haven't seen that bow before. Pretty shaker. Thank you so much. I will stick this on a card. I will use it for something. And then she's got a little tiny envelope. Let's see what this says. Oh, it just says Happy Valentine's Day hugs for the love of crafts, Olga. And that is her Instagram name, but her YouTube name is MadStamper64. Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet. And then it says, I hope you like my entry. Oh, I know I'm going to love your entry. I love your creativity, girl. Love it. Okay, this is the last little thing that she sent me. Oh my gosh, it's a handmade tag. Look at her really pretty topper. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at that. Thank you for sending this to me. Okay, so let's see what she made. Do small things with great love. Oh, that is beautiful. I love the layered with the paper and the tool. And look at that cute image. She's like dimensional. Oh, it's so pretty. And then look at the trim on the bottom. Oh my gosh, I love that. And that's the back, and it says handmade by Olga Velazguez. I'm sorry if I'm saying that incorrectly. I'm trying my best. Oh, thank you so much. That's so sweet. All right, so now we got to get to her entry. Yay for Happy Mail. That was so super sweet of you. I love all that sequence. I'm definitely going to be using that for Easter because that's Easter colors for sure. So sweet. Okay, so here's the package. It says challenge. So I'm going to go ahead and open up her entry for the challenge. And let's see what she came up with. And I can't wait. Oh my goodness. So here is that package. And okay, I think that's it. Perfect. All right, so this is the way her entry looks. And look at that adorable girl right there. Let me just zoom in. Isn't she adorable? And she put her on this little treat topper. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love her purse. I don't have that girl, but now I want her. Adorable. All right, so I'm gonna take out her mini loaded bag. And here it is. Oh my gosh, let me zoom out just a tad. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And I love the paper that you use. It's absolutely gorgeous. She has a beautiful crepe paper rosette with a beautiful layered flower. And it says love. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And let's take out her baking tags. Oh my gosh, and she made 2 of the same baking tags, and I love that stamp. It says, a little yummy for your tummy. And then the spatulas, oh my gosh, she even has like a little bit of icing on the spatula. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And I did watch a little bit of her video response. I was trying not to watch the whole video because I wanted to be surprised when I opened it, but she actually like pieced together a sticker that she had bought from Hobby Lobby, the way that she created this tag, which was so super creative. You guys definitely check out her YouTube channel and show her some love because she's very talented, and you will not be disappointed. But I love your beautiful baking tags. They're gorgeous. And then this is the back, and she finished it off with some really pretty seam binding. This pink seam binding. It's so gorgeous. Thank you so much, Olga. I love these tags. I cannot wait to use them. I don't know, I kind of almost want to hoard these tags. Oh my goodness. And then look, her little bag has a tassel, super cute, and a cute little clothespin with a heart on the front and the back. Adorable. And let's see. Oh, she has like 2 pockets. Oh, so here's her memory dex card. Isn't that adorable? And it says, with love. And she's got another one of those cute little lovely girls with a little banner of hearts, which is actually ribbon with an acrylic butterfly. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, Olga. I love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna cover up her address. But there is her YouTube channel, Mad Stamper 64, and it's Olga Velazguez. And I, again, will link her information in the description box below so you guys can check her out. I love how you did the back of that. Super pretty. And she does have a picture in here. Oh my gosh, this is the lovely Olga. Thank you for sending me a picture. She's so beautiful, isn't she? She's so sweet. She posts like the best pictures. I follow her feed on Instagram. So cute. Thank you for the picture. Love that. And then it looks like she has one more goodie in here. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, I think this is another one of her little notebook holders. Yep, it is. Oh, you're so sweet to send me two. Maybe I'll have to gift one. Oh, thank you. So this is another one of her sticky pad holders. Oh, I love that. Maybe I'll give one to my mother-in-law. Maybe. I'm gonna think about it. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Olga. And thank you so much, Christina, for participating in my challenge. Please leave these ladies a comment. Tell them what you think of their entries, and definitely show them some love on Instagram or YouTube or wherever you can find them. And I will be back with more entries. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.